Hi friends, it's Alex, your travel planner and magic maker, and in today's video I am at the Disneyland Resort where I purchased the Happiest Haunts tour, which includes a 2-hour guided tour at both parks that tells spooky villain stories. It also includes a lightning lane for Haunted Mansion Holiday, a reserved viewing area for Halloween screams, and much, much more. So why don't you sit back, relax, and let me take you to magic. The Happiest Haunts Tour is a seasonal offering at the Disneyland Resort that runs during Halloween time. It's an additional add-on to your park ticket and costs $130. Throughout the 2-hour tour, you're paired with a knowledgeable tour guide. Mine was amazing, and you get a headset so you can hear them clearly throughout the entire tour. The pacing was great, and the group size felt intimate enough to ask questions and really engage. The tour starts out heading into Disney California Adventure, where you learn about the Halloween decor, the Headless Horseman, and the treats and candy that Disneyland makes. At Trolley Treats, you're also gifted a poison apple cake pop, which was absolutely divine. I'm not really a cake pop fan, but this one really hit the spot. Being in Disney California Adventure was a shorter segment than Disneyland, so after about 30 minutes, we headed back into Disneyland to continue the tour. Once we got back into Disneyland, we got a special sneak peek with this beautiful piece of Disney history, the Witch in the Cage, or affectionately known as the Old Hag. She first debuted in the 1970s and has traveled all over the Disney parks until she was refurbished a couple of years ago. It was so fun to hear her and be slightly scared. Next, we made our way from Main Street to the castle. We first learned about all the Halloween decor at Disneyland, including that there are 300 handcrafted pumpkins on Main Street alone. Truly, one of the best parts of the tour was the storytelling. Our incredible guide taught us origin details about Cruella, Oogie Boogie, Maleficent, we even saw her, the Evil Queen, and even more. We even heard segments from the original animators over the headset, as well as corresponding music to these villains while we were walking to each location. In making our way from the castle through Fantasyland, I really started to appreciate how incredible these cast members were who ran this tour. They were friendly, knowledgeable, and genuinely passionate about the Halloween season. The pacing was really spot on, and I never felt rushed. Oh, and they do build in a 10-minute restroom break. Making our way to Frontierland, we learned the lore of Big Thunder Mountain and the important history of Dia de los Muertos. Before our tour ended, we heard about the Halloween tree origin, which was inspired by Ray Bradbury's 1972 novel. The tour then ended near Haunted Mansion Holiday, giving us background information on the ride itself and how it's been around since 2001. We then received this absolutely stunning pin that glows in the dark, and it was the perfect souvenir to remember this wonderful tour. One of the biggest perks of the tour is lightning lane access to Haunted Mansion Holiday. No waiting in the regular queue, you can just walk right through the lightning lane without making a reservation. Haunted Mansion Holiday is one of my top 5 rides. Seeing Jack Skellington, Sally, and Zero, and of course Oogie Boogie, the whole overlay is stunning every year. If you're a fan of Nightmare Before Christmas, you won't want to skip this ride. Take a look.
tricks and treats. Round and round she goes. What's your gift? Who knows?
Another huge perk of the Happiest Haunts tour is the reserved viewing area for both Paint the Night and Halloween Screams, which is located right in front of the Partners statue by the castle. You could show up at 8 p.m. to snag your spot. For Paint the Night, you could see the floats make their way down Main Street. There was no need to camp out or stake a spot for hours in advance. And for Halloween Screams, the reserved area gave us a great view of the castle projections and fireworks. It was spacious, comfortable, and made the whole evening feel a little elevated. I will say, you are watching a lot of people walk by during the entire show, so that was a bit of a bummer at times that they didn't halt the crowds from that space. Overall, I really loved this tour. It's perfect for Halloween fans, Disney history buffs, or anyone who wants a curated experience with exclusive access. Between the storytelling, the lightning lane, and the reserved viewing, I really felt like a VIP throughout the night without that VIP price tag. If you're visiting during Halloween time and looking for something special, I am happy to work alongside you to add the Happiest Haunts tour into your customized itinerary. You can DM me on Instagram at TakeMeToMagic, or you can email me at takemetomagic@gmail.com. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Disneyland reviews, seasonal guides, and magical walkthroughs. Until next time, stay spooky, stay magical, and I'll see you in the parks.